Everyone, this is Shobhit Gupta and I am here to give you some question answers regarding on the topic. Chapter 3 topic is effect of government policy change on business. हम लोगों ने इस टॉपिक में इस वीडियो पे जो टॉपिक कवर्ड किया है वो है फैक्टर्स विच इम्पैक्ट द बिजनेस एंड इंडस्ट्रीज़, जिसमें आपका आया था न्यू इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी बिफोर एंड आफ्टर 1991। न्यू इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी 1991 पे हम लोग ने डिस्कस किया था लिबरलाइजेशन, प्राइवेटाइजेशन, ग्लोबलाइजेशन पे, और जो भी इम्पैक्ट आया था लिबरलाइजेशन, प्राइवेटाइजेशन और ग्लोबलाइजेशन पॉलिसी का, किस जो भी चेंजेस हुआ था बिजनेस और इंडस्ट्रीज़ में, तो वो सारे टॉपिक हम लोगों ने इसमें कवर्ड किया है इस वीडियो में। तो सम क्वेश्चंस आर दीज। नाउ वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर्स टाइप्स क्वेश्चंस। Give one example of liberalization in India. Question number 2. Give an example of privatization in India. Question number 3. What is globalization? Question number 4. Give any two negative impacts of liberalization and globalization on business in India. Question number 5. Define liberalization as a process of economic reform in one sentence. Question number 6. Define privatization as a process of economic reforms. Question number 7. List the major elements of new industrial policy. Question number 8. Name any two challenges which Indian corporate sector is facing due to changes in government policy. Next question number 9. Which industrial policy has opened the doors Indian economy for multinational companies? Question number 10. State any two impact of change of government policy on business and industry. Question number 11. State some service industry for which competition has increased due to change in the government policy. And question number 12. What is the main reason behind the inefficient of the public sector undertaking? So these are the 1 marks question. Next, short answers type questions carries 3/4 marks. Give one example of opportunity and one example of threat offered in Indian economic development. Question number 2. It is the process by which government controls over the industry is being loosed. Identify the term and discuss it briefly. Question number 3. What are the positive effects of liberalization and globalization on business and industries? Question number 4. What are the negative effects of liberalization and globalization on business and industry in India? Question number 5. What are the features of new industrial policy 1991? Question number 6. Briefly explain the following: liberalization, privatization, globalization. Next, question number 7. What does truly globalized economy signify? Question number 8. What are the 3 impact of government policy changes on business and industry? Question number 9. When government came out with policy changes, it laid some positive and negative impact on the business. Discuss some of them. 10 number question. Even after opening up of our economy in 1991, foreign companies found it extremely difficult to cut through bureaucracy and the red tapeism. Identify the element of business environment and explain it with the help of an example. In this question you have to go to the topic dimension of the business environment. Next, long answers types questions carry 5/6 marks. Question number 1. What economic changes were initiated by the government Under the Industrial Policy 1991, what impact have these changes made on business and industry? Question number 2, the impact of government policy changes has been positive for the economy. Justify. So these are the questions which belongs to the topic 3rd of the chapter. Topic 3rd means impact of the business and industries, न्यू इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी 1991 एंड दीज न्यू इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी कैसे इम्पैक्ट किया है बिजनेस और इंडस्ट्रीज़ में. तो सारी टॉपिक को मिला करके हमने ये क्वेश्चंस बनाया है. प्लीज़ डू दिस क्वेश्चंस इन योर नोटबुक. बहुत जल्द हम लोग आपकी नोटबुक लेने वाले हैं. एंड आई हैव completed chapter number 1, 2 as well as 3. So from next video I'm going to upload is chapter number 4, planning. So please maintain your copy notes notebook in your proper notebook. क्वेश्चन आंसर उसी नोटबुक में होगा. एंड प्लीज़ रेडी रखो, मैं कभी भी बहुत जल्द मैं कॉपी मंगवाने वाला हूँ. सो प्लीज़ बी रेडी. थैंक यू.